Hi guys, and welcome to another What's Inside. For this show I really can't decide which one we open, so I have made 3 little notes and I will close my eyes and we will pick one, either Bitbo, Mr. Gadget or Olaf. Here they are, 3 little clouds. Hold them for me. Okay? And now, with my eyes closed, no picking, I will choose one. Oh, no way. Olaf, this is the one I really didn't want to do now. Okay, so Olaf it is. Later Gadget, later Bitbo, Olaf it is.
Toys for you. Hey there friends, what's up? Let's review your comments and see who wanted to see Olaf. Apparently, Yellow wanted to see what's inside Olaf. Next, Gyu2 wanted to see what's inside Olaf. And also, Davian Craft wants to see. Also, Victoria Ayala Merengildo. And again, Gyu2. Guys, for you and everyone else, here is Olaf.
Better is inserted.
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
So he moves his hands, he goes up and down. Yeah. Got it, let it go. And he has one nice setting when the lights are blinkering. I like this one.
Apparently, this guy is made of plastic, branches, and a lot of screws.
Okay, there we go. Our Olaf had a hidden screw under the battery compartment. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to see what's inside Olaf. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, hold that thought.
This little one is a tricky one.
Reveal yourself.
One question for you guys. Can you figure out how the hands move?
I think the front is gone. Oh my god. Guys, apparently Olaf looks like this.
I think we have seen that before.
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
That wheel in the back has the role of spinning Olaf to the left or to the right.
So, it is similar with the other standing dancing toys. These wheels move the feet. So these wheels move the feet. Look. And the engine is also spinning this wheel, and when this wheel is spinning, the body is moving up and down. Basically, we have movement for the legs and the up and down movement of the body.
And now your answer. The hands aren't moving mechanically. They move up and down with the body. But I bet you knew that already.
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
I feel like a surgeon after a brain surgery. I don't know, it wasn't hard, but I found it hard.
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like one
Oh, sorry, Olaf. Oh, I think he needs some screws. Or else he will lose all the snow. Okay, buddy. Will this be enough? We shall see. The nose is okay. The hands, are the hands moving?
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like one
Okay, so he's stepping. Guys, this was Olaf. We have found out his secrets and we know why he moves his hands. It's nothing mechanical, but when he goes up and down, his hands go also up and down. When he's sitting like this, he doesn't have anything mechanical. So this is very clever. Guys, thank you for watching. Remember, comment and you may be in the next clip. Until then, see you in the next one. Mwah!
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying...